gue.
Ya, Primo Panuan tiang siro jaya bagus dari ketua siro. Belum ada ke asli supaya siro kancing ni.
Dah jaya bagus lo kancing gue.
Yes, he love her very much son and wants to marry her. Everybody in the village is very happy, except the beast who sees that everything is not quite right.